Yeah. Buy a boat, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Travel around the world. Meet new people. See new sights. Yeah. Everybody forgot to mention how you'll be jammed in a tiny hole, sweating to death, trying to get a poop container out of your V-berth without spilling it everywhere, praying to God that it's empty, which we're hoping, but don't know yet. Can't get the test cap thing access port off the top of it to even look at it, so yeah, we're just going for it, I guess. Yeah. Buy a boat. Came up with a game plan for the sewer. We are going to disconnect the hose that goes to the macerator pump because there's a ball valve on it. We can shut it off, and then we're going to drain it into a bucket, lift the end up, and get as much of this out as we can. I was able to get the cap off though, the access port, and it doesn't smell like sewer. It smells like water, like kind of like shower water. So I don't think there's much sewer in it. But I still don't want it all over the boat. So we're going to unhook that hose, drain what we can, maybe fill it full of water a few times, drain it a few more times, and see how it goes. This valve shuts off, obviously. This hose goes to the macerator pump. This one goes to the vent on top of the deck. I don't know where this one goes, actually. This one goes to the toilet, to the head. So the plan is to unhook this one, because it's pretty low. Drain it into a bucket, because I can lift the other end of the tank up and get as much of this out as possible. That is the water. What do you got going on there?
Well, we're going to try to empty this sewer. I actually want to see what's in it.
You ready?
Yep.
Alright, here we go. So I gotta open it, I gotta go pick it up. There it is, in all its glory. Hour and a half later, sewer tank is out. So we have debated. Well, let me sit down on the head here, relax in my little throne. We've debated back and forth, Jessica and I, hours. Like, not debated, but just gone back and forth quite a bit on whether we wanted to get rid of this wall and these two doors. First thought was, yes, let's get rid of them. It's only a 34-foot long boat. It doesn't need two doors going to the head. I can tell you right now, though, I love it. Like, this is so much more space. It feels so much bigger and not nearly as cramped to take this wall out. Now, a few other things, a few considerations we gotta consider is first, is Jessica gonna like it when she shows up and sees it? That is key, because if she's not happy, pretty much nobody's happy. And the other thing to consider is, I can see my bed while I'm sitting on the toilet, on the head. I can see my bed while I'm on the head. I mean, I don't quite know how I feel about that. I don't know if a curtain is an answer, or if I gotta build some door there, which would block off the master. And the other problem is look, I get out of the toilet, there's the galley. Yeah, there's everything else. There's nothing blocking the head from the rest of the boat. Is that a problem? I'm not sure. We're gonna find out. We'll have to ask Jessica, see her initial reaction when she shows up today. If that was a curtain. Maybe right here. Block off the head from the rest of the boat. Or I could get really ambitious. And I could actually put a door here, like a kind of like a sliding pocket door that would actually fit behind the mast, because the mast is right behind here, and slide behind this to keep this open. Or you could shut this if you had to do some business on the head. You know, if you had a little too much ice cream or salsa or spicy food or anything else that upsets your stomach, you could have some privacy. I'm leaning towards a curtain, mainly because I'm lazy and I don't want to build a door. But we'll see what Jessica says. We are going to get rid of this. There's a screw there. There's a screw there. A couple screws behind those plugs. And a screw right there behind that plug. Oh man, brass screws. Now all I got left is this guy. I'm not 100% sure. Oh, well looky there. There I thought it was gonna be like attached, but it's just kind of sitting there. So out it comes. I got it all apart. Check this out. Woo. I can walk right in here. I got space. This is awesome. I don't know why it wasn't built like this to begin with. Alright, Jessica hasn't seen this yet, but I'm just gonna keep moving forward. This floor, this floor's gotta go. Got all the trim pieces off. We're gonna see if we can get this floor up. We're going for it. This is really weird stuff. Like, I don't know what it is, but it's like gooey. Oh, no way. No way. I think we might have got lucky. This flooring, I think, goes under here. There is some glue. I don't know if we can scrape this off or what, but oh man, except I was real excited because then I remembered this piece right here. This hole. We'll sort this out though. But this stuff, check this stuff. This is like, I think it might be like cork, but it's like a little bit pliable before it breaks. Like, yeah, I don't know. It's really weird stuff. Either way, it's coming up. Alright, maybe it's not coming up so easily. It is on there. I don't even know what to do here. I guess I'm just gonna keep prying at it. This is obviously gonna take me a while. I think I might get a heat gun or a bigger, like a drywall knife, a bigger scraper or something, and see if I can pull this up a little better. See, I got most of it. Turns into this snotty, sticky mess when I put the acetone on it. But progress. 2 hours. I'm a little exhausted. I feel halfway defeated, but somewhat not. I'm really close. I can't seem to quite get the little bit of residue back off. We're going to keep going at it though. Little by little, I think I'll get all this stuff off the floor and it's going to look pretty sharp. Anyways, I'm going to keep cleaning. Awesome. This is where I just scraped all that adhesive, snotty nastiness off. It obviously needs a coat of poly to get some sheen to it, but I think the color's gonna look pretty good. So the only problem I got left is this hole where that post was. So that hole, I'm just gonna fill it with resin. I don't know what else to do with it. I tried some wood patch, it didn't work. I ended up popping it all back out. It looked like crap. Now I'm just gonna fill it so it's flush, so I don't stub my toe. So that's plan, I don't know, C, D, E, F, I don't know. I've had a few, but this is where we're at now. What are you doing over there?
Getting coffee?
Looks like you're stealing my coffee.
You said you'd share.
Well, maybe I'm a liar.
Catch me if you can.
With Jessica painting today, I'm pretty sure I got the easy job. I know the head's usually messy, but this thing hasn't been used in, I don't know, 3 or 4 years. It should be pretty easy. We're going to take it out, and then I'm going to measure it up and see which style composting head we're going to get. Either nature's head, a sea head, or an air head. I think there's those 3 main ones. I think I've got a couple, 1, 2, maybe 4 screws, and this thing is out of here. It's kind of a shame. It's supposed to be just freshly rebuilt, like it's a pretty good toilet. That was it. Piece of cake. 3 little bolts. Held her in. She's out of here. Okay, I got the head out. Very simple to do. But now there's one more problem. Remember that cork looking stuff I took out earlier in this bathroom? Yeah, it's all under the toilet. The question is, do I want to try to remove it? It's another 2 or 3 hours, I'm certain, to move it. It's a sticky, gooey disaster of a mess. I'm leaning towards no. But then part of me thinks I just should. I don't know, man, decisions. Do I create more work, or do I let it be? Jessica, she thinks we should wait. I'm committing though. I'm just gonna get rid of this. Because I'm pretty oh, look, it might even come up easier. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to rebuild this section anyways to get the composting head in. I'm just getting rid of this crap. I do not like this stuff. So it's gone. So the plywood's gone, that cork stuff's gone. Now I gotta get this glue, which almost feels like silicone actually, not a glue. Probably paint this white, I would think, make it pretty. And then eventually we will rebuild a little platform here for our composting head. And we purchased one of these guys right here. You guys see that? That is a Nature's Head composting toilet. Flap. All the parts are in there. Urine. Little rotating handle right here to mix up the compost. Now, the goal is to get that thing to fit right there.
Here is the finished product. We have our beautiful toilet. Da, 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 da. It fits in that space pretty nicely. Gives you plenty of room to have the handle for the poop. And we can reach in here and turn it when we need to. If I can get the camera to go. So there's that. The floor turned out nice. You can kind of see, sorry about the lighting there, you can kind of see where the old door was, and where Sam filled in that hole, but it's not too bad. Definitely something we can live with. And then the pedestal itself works out good. So, excited to use it, see how it works. Well, we were just sitting here in Monterey Bay in Monterey, California. Wishing it was warmer. You can see we're in freaking
It's a little chilly.
Hoodies and
Raining.
I got pajama bottoms on. It's cold outside. Like we're desperately trying to get south out of this crappy weather. But Monterey's been really nice. It's a great little town.
Awesome town.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it. It's more my style, I think.
Yeah, it's a good vibe.
Yeah, good vibe for sure.
But we thought we'd give you an update on our composting toilet and taking those walls down and the doors down, and if we liked it or not. And the verdict is,
I like it. Probably more so than he does. The things that I like are, it does not smell. It's super easy to change and hardly any cleaning required. Dump it in a trash bag, seal it up. It still doesn't stink even if the bag wasn't sealed. And take it to the trash. It's super easy. The urine gets dumped. It has a lid, although we've lost our lid, so now I use a plastic bag and a rubber band. Has not leaked, does just fine, and I can dispose of it. And I say I because I usually am the one that does that, because it's something I can really do on my own. So that's kind of important to me, to be able to contribute something that I can do. So I take care of the toilet and its contents. And I'd much rather do it with a composting toilet than with a regular head and is septic.
Yeah, no, I agree. It's actually been just fine. I was concerned putting it in, did a bunch of research. I didn't want to spend the money and mess with something that wasn't going to work out well, but this compost and toilet thing actually has been just fine.
We removed the doors, and that was one of our things. We're like, removing the doors, they're there for a reason, probably to keep you on the toilet while you're under sail. We've experienced that, but being in a small boat, you just put your foot across the way and hold on to the mast.
That's what you do. I just hang on to the mast.
Yeah.
I just lean against the mast. I don't know about the foot thing, but
you just hold on for dear
I just
life.
hang on to the mast. But getting rid of those doors made a huge difference in this boat. It just gave us so much more space in the bathroom and in our bedroom and all of it. Like, it's easier to get to the drawers. Everything about it has been good.
Right. So we did end up adding 2 curtains, one by our RV berth and one dividing the head from the living room, the galley. Sam used them all the time at first, and now he's getting to where he doesn't use them as much. So
Hey, I like my
Anyway,
privacy.
he
when
likes
I'm
his privacy.
Doing my business, okay?
I run him out of the room, so I don't have to worry about whether I have privacy or not. So I think it's working out okay.
No, it's been really good. Both decisions so far have been great. So
Thanks for watching, everybody. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Check us out on Patreon if you'd like to help support our adventures. And we'll see you at the next one.
yep, thanks for watching, everybody. See ya.
Bye.